So this is just a quick demonstration of my prototype of the DIGIduino Arduino digital watch. So this is the watch in the sleep state. I can click this wake button and it displays the time. Displays the time for about 10 seconds. This is a time that can be programmed. And then it goes back to sleep. This is a save battery. I wake the device again and I want to set the time. I hold the second button, I go into set mode, and I can increment the hours or the minutes. As so, I let it set until the device goes back to sleep. And you can see it stored that time. I'm now just going to run through some of the components as well whilst we're here. So this is a prototype of the PCB. This is one that I've hand soldered. I currently have some out for delivery that have been pre-assembled, which is what I'm going to launch on Kickstarter. So the movement, there we go. So that is the movement that will be available with a connector there for programming, a little battery there, and the 4 side switches. And there's a working prototype. All the case and features have also been prototyped and they're ready to go into production. So yeah, thanks for watching.